How is it going, YouTube? Welcome to a product review here on the Prelude. And I got these starter socket set, Torx starter socket set on Amazon. And I bought them specifically for this job. The Torx Plus 50 is the one I need. Right here. And it fits perfectly on the cam gears here, on the phasers. The VTEC. Seem to be made out of pretty good material. This set comes with so you got the Torx Plus, you got inverted Torx sockets here, you got regular Torx sockets, regular ones, got the inverted ones. I'm trying to make this camera focus a little bit more clear. But yeah, so you got the inverted Torx set, you got your regular Torx sets here, you got the tamper-proof ones, the one with the little dot in the middle, right here. So like the smaller ones, they have a small drive, from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Once you get up to 55, tamper-proof one, 1/2 inch drive, and then right here, over here, I'm sorry, you got at the bottom, you got the Torx Plus set. You go from small one, you got Torx Plus 30 all the way to Torx Plus 60, and this is the only thing I needed. But this whole set is pretty cool for the price that I got it off of Amazon. I think it's totally worth it. It's made out of good material. It takes a lot of force to break these cams loose, and these things did it. These are the new ones, so I'm gonna torque them down. When I do that, I'll show you guys that this thing's gonna hold together. Cool. Thanks for checking this out, man. So any techs out there that are looking for a Torx starter set, this is a good set right here. Alright guys, so I need to torque these. I'm gonna go 90 degrees on each. They're on these tortilla bolts. This is the Torx Plus from that set, TP55. Now the next one. I'm putting a lot of force on these. Socket does not slip, fits in there perfectly. Well guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for checking it out. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that. So if you're looking for a good socket set piece, this one's it, man. It's pretty good at a very good price. Can't beat that. See ya.